What does it mean to have a career in internal medicine? So, doctors, hope you're doing well. And today's video is particularly about those who are preparing for NEET SS and have questions in mind about career in internal medicine. All right. So, if you're wondering what your professional life will be, like if you study internal medicine or are figuring out things about various branches to arrive at a definite conclusion, right? So, this video is for you. And today we are here to shed light on what it means to have a career in internal medicine. And we promise you that few minutes you invest in watching this video or maybe listening to this podcast will help you make one of the most crucial decisions of your life. Moreover, having a clear focus paves the way to strengthen your resolve and will give a definite direction to your preparation journey. All right. So, first of all, let's discuss about the pros that we have for career in internal medicine. So, flexibility and independence, I would say, is one of the pros. One of the best things about pursuing a career in internal medicine is that the dependency on other branches is minimal. You can independently take care of almost everything. So, this is one biggest pros. And another pro, if I will be talking about, is the complexity of internal medicine. There are two ways to look at the complexity of this branch. One, I would say, is you can let the challenges overwhelm you, which makes complexity a negative factor. And the second one is you can choose the curiosity it generates, right? Getting to the bottom of situation and making the perfect diagnosis are the most interesting aspects of this field. And interlaced life revolves around unrelieving the mysteries of the medical world, and this part of their journey makes it very meaningful, rendering them the ability to, right? And another pro, I would say, is impacting lives. Every member of healthcare community significantly makes a difference in lives of people suffering and need to be taken care of, right? People look at you with hope in their eyes, and your white aprons are indeed the caps of the real life superheroes you are. You know, you have stepped into the world of healthcare with the aspiration to relieve people of their pain. And after choosing internal medicine as the branch of your choice, you make a significant difference. In fact, slightly more than other branches, because this field lets you focus on preventive care. Another pro I would like to add is a diverse super specialty options. All right. After choosing the road of internal medicine, you will have a wide range of NEET SS branches to choose from. Cardiology, you can go for pulmonary medicine, gastrology, you can choose critical care, endocrinology, hematology, and so many things you can pick from, right? And I think if I would be adding cons and discussing more things in this video, this would be getting a bit bored and making this video a bit lengthy. So let's end this video over here, and to know about the tips for residency, if you are looking to have a career in internal medicine, you can do subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can watch those videos on this channel.